Hi guys, welcome to Galbi's Kitchen. My name is Galbi, and as some of you already know, I introduce how to cook Korean food in a very simple way, but still with authentic taste. So if you're new to my channel today, please consider to subscribe to it. Alright, today I made 감자조림, the braised potatoes. If you ever been to Korean restaurant, you must have tried this as a side dish in a small plates. Well, here I'm showing you how to cook it very easy way. So let's get started. Let's start with peeling off the potatoes. And then cut them into bite size. After cutting the potatoes, throw them into the water. Soak them for about 20 minutes to take out all the potato starch. Slice half onion into bite size. Give them a cold shower after 20 minutes. Rinse them a couple of times until you see the water is clear. And drain the water completely. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a preheated pan. Place the potatoes into the pan and stir fry them until you see them become transparent. You see the surface of the potatoes are becoming transparent? Then add the onions. Stir fry them until the onions become transparent, then add half cup of water and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or corn syrup. You can add more if you would like it sweeter. Next one is minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of it. Mix them thoroughly and cook them for about 10 minutes. Try not to stir them too often, otherwise the potatoes will get mushed. Make sure the potatoes are coated with the sauce. When there's almost no liquid left, add chopped green onions if you would like. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Give them a last mix, then it is ready to eat. Hey, it's eating time. Let me try it. It's really good. Sweet. It's sweet and savory at the same time. Really like it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumb button down below and hit the bell button to get notification so you don't miss out my coming recipes. See you guys next time. Bye.